Hi, I'm Bob Kyle, the broker here at OKC Homes for You. Today I would like to discuss preventive property maintenance and why it's a must for Oklahoma City rental homes. Oklahoma City is a wonderful place to live, but investors should be prepared for the wide range of weather conditions that will affect their properties. Winter storms often bring high winds, periods of below zero wind chills, temperatures, and ice. Spring and fall in Oklahoma City are peak thunderstorm seasons, and high summertime temperatures cause stress on air conditioning systems. To ensure that the heat and air systems are in good working order, we highly recommend that the air conditioner and furnace be inspected, cleaned, and serviced in the spring and fall. Regular filter replacement is essential, and we arrange for the correct size filter and quantity of filters to be delivered to your tenants every 90 days. When a new tenant moves in, we instruct them on replacing the filters as soon as they arrive. This helps eliminate tenant concerns and comments such as, "I don't know the actual size, I can't remember when to change them, and I don't know where they go." If your property is furnished with a refrigerator, cleaning any accumulated dust off the coils is a quick and simple task that will keep it cooling properly. Have you ever had a refrigerator break down and a very upset tenant call and demand to be reimbursed for food spoilage? In addition to the dishwasher, if your property comes furnished with a washer and dryer, part of a normal make-ready process should include use of a cleaning product during a normal wash cycle that is made to remove hard water scale buildup in the dishwasher and clothes washer. For clothes dryers, the make-ready process should include cleaning the clothes dryer vent pipe because lint accumulation can be a fire hazard. Please visit our website and select the Tenants tab to see more common maintenance tips. It would be our pleasure to implement these and other preventive practices on your Oklahoma City rental property. Have a good day.